Hello, my name is Colonel Timothy Lawrence. I'm the director of the Air Force Research Lab Information Directorate located here at Rome, New York. And I'd like to take a little bit of your time today to talk about the amazing education opportunities that you have, our audience, with working with the Air Force Research Lab and the Air Force in the area of quantum computing. Just to kind of highlight, I want to share the current activities that we have. And again, my whole motivation here is to use this as a springboard for more collaboration. The Air Force is all into quantum and we're all into education. So we feel developing relationships with the Q2B audience will just make our Air Force better and also give wonderful opportunities to you out there who may be interested in working with us. So just to set the tone, we are currently sponsoring 5 research topics. The first one is use of deep neural networks to code the rotated surface code. Second, using Clifford gate libraries to map a reversible circuit. The third is studying quantum transpilers. The fourth, error correction and detection, looking at multiple quantum computers that are all state-of-the-art in this environment. And last but not least, use of open pulse to study the Stern-Gerlach experiment for single qubits. The relationships that we have are with the following universities listed in no particular order. University of California, Los Angeles, University of California, Berkeley, University of Central Florida, Duke University, University of Illinois, University of Maryland, Purdue University, State University of New York, and we have several relationships with several of universities in the SUNY system. Florida, Syracuse University, RIT, and Brescia. Moving to international, we have agreements with Delft University, Simon Fraser University, and the University of Seoul. And again, this is just talking about quantum computing, which I know is the focus of your conference this week. Last things I'd like to highlight is our relationship with IBM. Working with IBM, we are the Air Force hub for quantum computing. And right now, we are actively seeking participants to work with us and IBM to start writing quantum algorithms that can better the Air Force, better the nation at large. The strong partnerships that we have right now are with the U.S. Air Force Academy, the Air Force Institute of Technology, New York University, the University of Texas at Austin, Carnegie Mellon University, and last but not least, the Naval Postgraduate School. Those are all active participants that either have faculty or students writing algorithms on the device, and we have bandwidth for more. So if you're interested, please get in touch, and we'd be more than happy to set you up. The last thing that I'll focus on is education. Besides the research that we've shared with you now, we are in negotiations with Caltech and Professor Preskill to have a scholarship that would send multiple Air Force officers or civilians to study under Professor Preskill at Caltech for either a master's or a PhD. The only focus is it needs to be in quantum computing. That's just in the works, and hopefully we'll have that announcement soon, if not by the end of this year, early next year. We also have partnered with the Air Force Institute of Technology and the Air Force Academy to create a quantum computing short course, 5 days long. So this is a short course that several of you out there in the community may be interested in. If you're interested, please let us know. Part of that course enables you as the participants to work on the IBM device writing algorithms. So again, another wonderful opportunity. So in closing, I just wanted to kind of scratch the surface to just share what the Air Force is doing in quantum computing education. It's a very, I'm just amazed about how much we've been able to get started in the last 2 years, and it's going to grow. So again, if you're interested, please get in touch and we would like to work with you. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time.